As you know, your sales growth journey will always start at the top of your funnel, where you generate leads and prospects for qualified buyers for your SaaS product. The biggest challenge that you have to overcome is to get people to consume your message, trust you, and have a clear path to subscribe for your SaaS service. SaaS buyers typically trust individuals much more than they do companies, which means that you and your team has an opportunity to use video to make connections and ultimately drive more conversions. And you've chosen the right platform to be able to do so. One of the primary and most effective tools that you can use on the Dubb platform is to record and send one-to-one video messages. By sending video messages, you will have the ability to record a video from your webcam, phone, or screen that will automatically generate a clickable animated thumbnail and a landing page where they can watch your video and click on your calls to action. Now, one of the great things about recording video messages like this is that you don't have to repeat yourself over and over. It allows you to clone yourself and to become scalable. One of the greatest features that we recommend is to record a personalized video and then to use the playlist feature, which allows you to put a testimonial video or a demo video immediately to follow. You can also use the whiteboard feature so that you can personalize your video messages with an individual's name so that they know you recorded that video just for them. Imagine how much increase you will see in your email messages, your SMS messages, and your LinkedIn messages if people see an animated thumbnail with their name on it. Curiosity will compel them to want to click on it, watch your video, and build enough trust to be able to take the next step with you. The biggest problem that we are solving here is the problem of getting into people's inboxes and to get them to want to consume your messages, watch them, and reach out back to you. As you can imagine, inboxes are absolutely flooded right now with AI-generated content that simply gets ignored. With Dubb, you now have the opportunity to record personalized video messages and to make an impact with people. The most successful SaaS founders and SaaS sales leaders use this technique to build relationships and to grow their sales. So by doing so, you are going to be in the top 5 percentile of your industry. Now, as mentioned, we are going to support you every step of the way, but you do have to make the commitment of using video communication. The first piece of technology that I like to share with you is the Dubb Chrome extension. With the Dubb Chrome extension, you can record videos of your screen, add annotations, use a pause button, and instantly generate your landing page. As mentioned before, when you generate a landing page, all of your calls to action will appear on that, including your calendar booking widget that you can integrate from Google, Outlook, Calendly, HubSpot Scheduler, or any other scheduling platform. The great thing about this is that now you have a chance to communicate with people over video and give them a chance to book a time in your calendar. One of the other benefits of the Dubb Chrome extension is that it gives you countless numbers of integrations to platforms like Gmail, Outlook, LinkedIn, HubSpot, Salesforce, and so many more to instantly add a video message to any communication that you send. This will transform the way that you communicate because instead of using plain old boring text, now you can communicate with video, which is visual, which is compelling, and it drives more conversions. Just think of the possibilities of what you can record from your screen. Presentations, demos, tutorial videos, case studies, reviews, anything that you want to be able to communicate and show to your prospects is what you should be recording and ultimately sharing with them. Because when they see them, it will result in meaningful touch points, which move them down your sales funnel and ultimately to becoming a client. The next piece of technology that I'd like to share with you is the Dubb teleprompter. With the Dubb teleprompter, you can import a script into your Dubb account and then read from a teleprompter from any piece of technology, including the Dubb Chrome extension, the Dubb desktop app, the Dubb mobile app, or the Dubb website. The great thing about using the teleprompter is that it keeps you on script and make your videos concise. Not to mention, it avoids you having to repeat your videos over and over and over again, which can really get frustrating. I highly encourage you to download the Dubb mobile app from the Play Store or the App Store, where you can record dynamic multiple clip videos to use a teleprompter and other powerful features like the picture-in-picture option, adding music to your videos, editing and trimming, filters, and so much more. You'll also find the Dubb whiteboard feature in the Dubb mobile app so that you can record a video on your webcam, but use the Dubb mobile app as a whiteboard option where you can put the person's name directly on the screen so that when they see that thumbnail, they say, "This video is for me and I can't wait to check it out." No matter how you decide to record a video, you will get an automatically generated landing page with your video, your branding, your video playlist with your pre-recorded videos, and your calls to action. Folks, with these video landing pages, your conversions are waiting. And by empowering your team to send video message like this as part of their prospecting process, you will ultimately increase your engagement rate, get more bookings, and ultimately increase your closing rate. Testimonials, case studies, and reviews speak for themselves, so we always recommend capturing that type of content and sharing with your prospects. In fact, take a look at this case study where a SaaS company was able to increase their sales by 256% by using this method. But if you want to get results like this, you have to commit your team to being consistent, to use good scripts, and to be value-focused and authentic in your videos. Next, we're going to discuss the importance of copywriting and using artificial intelligence to write more impactful copy. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.